is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from Japan. This is Acecook Seabura Tonkotsu Ramen. So yeah, should be pretty good. These Seabura ones, I tell ya. Alright. 3 minutes up to the line. Three minutes. So, yeah. I guess there's really nothing I need to say, but I have more tickets to scratch. They're gonna start handing these things out in like packs of 100. They're ridiculous. If you haven't watched my show before and you're wondering what I'm talking about, I'll show you as soon as I get this little thing of egg turned over and working its way out. Okay. These are little game pieces for Safeway stores and other stores. And you can win too, you know, like a lot of money supposedly, or a big prize or some sort. Nothing. But in order to win those big prizes, you have to invest a lot of time and effort. And I think the whole point is they know that people don't want to really do that, so they don't have to pay out. The only people that end up paying out is like there's 50 cents off brawny paper towels. That's like, and then those companies pay the company that sets up this big monopoly thing, because all they do is just pay for a licensing agreement with who does, is that Parker Brothers or whatever company? More garbage. But yeah, each one of these has licensed imagery on it, see? And then it's also got, look, a product. So you're touching, you're actually working with it. So it's tactile, it's visual, and then there's the hope, oh, nothing. You know? That's like freaking genius, man. I mean, there's no other way you're gonna get people to interact with product shots of product that easily. 50 cents off Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh Lunch Meat. Because what's a person gonna do? They're gonna do exactly what I just did. I opened it up. It was something other than just like, oh, I didn't win anything. And then it said what it was. And then I read what it was. Like, enjoy a free Shutterfly 16 by 20 collage post. Shutterfly. Oh. Branding. I just mentioned their brand. I read it aloud. I read it in my head. Super, super smart. And garbage. I still got a freaking stack of them. So. But, more importantly, we've got some tonkotsu here. Seabura tonkotsu from Acecook, Japan. So let's have a look. Alright. And we got this little packet of goo. And what's the rule? Need your packets of goo. Let's cut this sucker open. And stir in the goo, because the goo makes it better. give this a try. Noodle. More than sufficiently hydrated. Broth. Not bad. Salty, porky. Now it's time to transfer it into the pot, where it will be transferred into the magic thingy. What's that? Oh, now the fork is magnetized to the leg of the camera tripod thing. Let's get Rotato. Hey, Rotato, how do you weave that magic that you do so well? I just don't know. And we got a bowl. Dropping the bowl right there. And we're gonna drop the Seabura Tonkotsu right in there. Come on. Back up just a little bit. There we go. That'll be... Yeah. It is what it is. Uh-oh. Egg. Release, egg. Release. This egg doesn't want to play by the egg rules. There you go. Ding! And you just go... This egg came out extra. I wasn't really paying attention to the timing on them. Just set a timer and like kind of, I don't know, just kind of slacked a little bit, I'll admit it. I apologize. There's a slice and a slice. Springtime in Japan, ladies and gentlemen. Looking like a little springtime in Japan. But if it's anything like here, I'll tell you one thing. Those cherry blossoms, when they start dropping, it's great. But when they like keep dropping and they get down to the ground and they get all like done, they get really pungent and stinky, and I don't like them. So. Anyways, so my wife is gonna try this one. We're going to use just the tiniest amount of sesame seeds right there. All right. Rotato, if you will, please. You know, I gotta say, it's a guilty pleasure of mine to have, to make up noodles, make them look kind of nice, and then have a soundtrack for them, so, yeah. Alright, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you. And have a good one. Bye.